Wow, this one's the worst one that I've seen so far. Where's the AC at? Let's see if we can make a transformation. Hey, there's an air conditioner right there. Testing the capacitor. Testing the horn side. So this job that I'm doing, this is for my 93-year-old uncle. He's an old southern Mississippi boy. He's got some health issues, so I'm here helping him out. I replaced the contactor and the capacitor. Leave it in the comment section below. Would you help family out? Looks a little better, doesn't it? Smash that thumbs up button.